Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar. I'm studying 3rd BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today in this video, I will be explaining some common interview questions around Node.js, Express.js and backend development in simple and understandable way. First question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 engine. It allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side. And second question is, what is the fallback function in Node.js and why are they common used in asynchronous programming? We know that a callback function is a function passed into another function as an argument, which is called later once the task completes. Why only Node.js is used? Because Node.js is asynchronous and non-blocking. Callbacks allows the program to continue execution without waiting. And it is useful for handling I/O operations like DB queries, API calls, and file handling. The next question is, what is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Uh, Package.json file describes your Node.js project, manages from project dependencies, and includes scripts and metadata. So that's why package.json is important in Node.js project. And next is explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. Require common JS syntax is common JS syntax, and whereas ES6 is import is ES6 module syntax, and require is used in most Node.js projects, and require needs type module in package.json, and require is asynchronous and import is synchronous. And what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Middleware in Express.js is a function that runs before and final route handler and can modify a request or response, end the request, pass control to the next middleware. You can also use built-in third-party middlewares like Express.json for parsing JSON and CORS for enabling CORS cross-origin handling. Custom authentication middleware. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? A RESTful API is states that representational state transfer. It is a web API that follows REST principles and uses standard HTTP methods to perform CORD operations. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager? Node Package Manager comes bundled with Node.js. It helps in installing, updating, and managing packages and dependencies. And some of the common commands in Node Package Manager are npm init void to create package.json and npm install express to create express dependencies. Why it is important to handle a hash in a web application? Storing raw password is extremely dangerous. Why? Because to protect users' data in case of a database breach, hashing is one way you can't reserve it easily. Even if someone gets access to your DB, they can't see the actual passwords. So that's why hashing is much necessary in building a web application.